He's not at work.
All right. Welcome to the personnel session on the Gary J. Schroeder today.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the court. Have a seat. We have folks live on Zoom. I feel like I'm done to get up here, sit down, and take off the mask. Anyway, good morning and welcome, everybody. Let me talk to you just briefly and we'll get you out of here and back to your day-to-day living. We're doing court a little bit different than historically has been done because of the virus. So I'm talking to you folks live. I also have my Zoom meeting for folks attending that way. So let me talk to you a little bit about how it's going to work this morning. I'll call your name when I do. Come on up here and I'll either read or explain the charge. The charge has been filed against you. Same thing for Zoom there in your presence, either your home, your office, or wherever you are this morning. Once you tell me you understand it, then we'll ask you to enter a plea of guilty, not guilty, or no contest. Those are the three pleas that are available under the law, and I need for you to enter one of those. If you enter a plea of not guilty, you're contesting the matter, which means you're exercising your constitutional right to require proof beyond a reasonable doubt before you can be convicted. We have a process that's called a pretrial, which gives you an opportunity prior to having your case tried in front of me or a jury to discuss the facts with the prosecutor. And if you can reach an agreement, that is then presented to me. And if I think it's reasonable, I approve it and you're done. If you can't reach an agreement, then it's up to you to decide how you want your matter tried, again, in front of me or in front of a jury. For those of you wishing to forego that by entering a plea of either guilty or no contest, once I have that plea entered, this is a people's court. I encourage you, suggest to you and tell you that if you have something you want to talk to me about at that point in time, I'm here to listen to you. I'm going to listen to you and take it into consideration. For those of you who are going to have some type of fine disposition this morning, the Zoom folks and you folks sitting out here, if you can't take care of it today, if you want to go online and pay it, that's another method that allows in this day and age a little less one-on-one contact. So with that said, we'll go ahead and get started. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them. We're going to try our best to answer them for you. Who do we have on Zoom?
Stephanie Ford.
I don't have.
We have no file.
What happened to the file?
She's coming slowly.
Oh, okay.
No, I just read that one. She's trying to return juvenile return for the juvenile return. She has to grab 2 more Stephanie files.
All right. Well, I guess we'll wait a minute then.
That's the juvenile.
Rodale Valenzuela, come on up.
Yes.
Where's your mom, dad? Y'all come on over. How y'all been?
Good. How are you doing?
How's she been?
Good.
Well, let me look this over a minute. Let's see. That looks like no driver's license. And you get a license? You're there holding it and I'm not even looking at you. All right. Let's make a copy of that. What I'm going to do with that is that was part of the terms of your probation. So we will go ahead and make that part of the record. I put in here that if you got your license, I would consider reducing the fine. And I'm gonna do that, okay? I'm gonna reduce it. It's gonna be a total of $181, but probably more important, let me just make a note here. Today's the 25th. More importantly, I'll go ahead and dismiss this matter. That means, so which one of these you want back?
Thank you.
More importantly, you're welcome. But more importantly, it's not going, this incident's not going to leave this courtroom, which means it's not going to go on your driving record. Not going to affect your insurance. Y'all have any questions?
No, sir.
How much time you need to get the 181 paid?
Until Friday.
And she's paying it.
Yes, sir.
I'll take care of it Friday. Thank you very much. Have a
Thank
good
you.
day.
Have a nice
All right,
day.
bye-bye.
Okay, here's Stephanie, the online.
No.
Caitlin. It's online right now.
All right, let's talk to Stephanie. Reset.
Hello, sir.
Good morning, Stephanie.
Good morning.
How are you?
Not so well. I'm not feeling good at all, but I'm all right overall.
All right, we'd reset this matter for today to see if you were originally charged with no vehicle liability insurance and also driving while license suspended. So you got some proof of insurance?
I have to say no at that time. What was the date on that?
Back in August of last year. Also the driving while license suspended. Did you get your license reinstated?
No, sir, but I did get my occupational license.
You what?
Get my occupational license.
Did you send in proof of that to us?
No, sir, but I actually have it right here in front of me.
Well, I need for you to get a copy of that to me, but now you still do not have insurance? How were you able to get an occupational license? You had to use that SR
Because
22.
because I recently got this like August 6th of this month. And then I got my RS 22 and everything back here in the back. No. See, this is all my insurance. I don't know if you can see.
Take care of the license and the insurance, and it didn't look like anything.
Right, because she was on extension.
So why are you not able to get your driver's license that you had to go to an occupational license? That wasn't part of our deal.
I didn't think we had a deal. I thought well, I have a deal with you like with my clients and stuff like that, which I haven't been able to pay on any of that. I got an extension from you, but it's been one thing after another. My occupational was a lot. I did this by myself.
Okay, all right, we gave you extensions on this, and so that's really what we have. So we've got $296 in each case, and I'm showing that nothing's been paid. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
So how are we gonna get this paid? It's been a long time. I've been fooling with this since September of last year. Next week, it'll be a year.
I haven't had any, I know it's unbelievable, but I haven't had any extra money. But I was wanting to know if I don't want to do weekends, but I was wanting to know if possibly that'd be something that you would consider. Because it's a lot and I barely making ends meet. Like I have no extra money.
Are you working?
Well, I was working and out of Yorktown, but I moved to Goliad and I'm not even finished moved in, but I just started last night getting in here. But I'm not working at the moment, no, sir.
So what kind of income do you have? What kind of money are you surviving on if you're not working?
Well, I actually just had to get a title loan to pay the difference of me moving. I was working, like I said. I'm doing trains. I clean trains in Bloomington, Corpus, Seadrift, and Gregory on the weekends, but that's still not, I don't even consider that a job. I get paid cash on that. But
Well, it's
right
not
now,
a question of whether you consider it to be a job or not. It's a question of whether or not you have income coming in to take care of these obligations that you've incurred.
yes, sir. Um, like I said, I'm just trying to make ends meet, but I am gonna be working. I'm just not working at the moment.
What's the last Wednesday in September? All right, I'm gonna reset your case to September the 29th. That's gonna give you a little over 30 days to get some of this paid. I strongly suggest you work on it and get it done. Uh, I've tried to work with you now for a year and not one penny's been paid. I do not believe you when you tell me you cannot pay anything. That
Well, I
just
have,
doesn't exist today. I think you don't want to, and I think you think that you don't have to. And that's just not the way this court works. This court tries to work with people and give people a chance. I think you're taking advantage of what my efforts are to try to work with you.
well, I do have other tickets out of Yorktown, Texas that I've been paying on as well. Well, I
Well,
haven't
that's
paid
fine.
anything
You
to
can pay
you.
on Yorktown, you can pay on Cuero. I can assure you, we use the same jail. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
The 29th, and there better be a substantial amount paid.
Yes, sir.
That's still the only one on Zoom.
Yeah, because she's the only one that has the meeting ID.